Good morning to all. Today our chapter is trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angle for class 11 ISC and CBSE board students. Trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angle. The formula required for this sin 2a. This is a multiple angle. Sin 2a, the formula is 2 sin a into cos a. This is the main formula. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. Another sin 2a formula in terms of tan a, that is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Two formula required for multiple angle of sin 2a, that is 2 sin a cos a, by another one is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Same process cos 2a. The cos 2a formula is, the first formula is cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, only in terms of sin a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This one is in terms of tan, and these are the cos 2a main formula is cos square a minus sin square a. If I will replace cos square a by 1 minus sin square, that will be 1 minus 2 sin square a. That means cos 2a main formula is cos square a minus sin square a. If I will break cos square a, that is 1 minus sin square a, that means 1 minus 2 sin square a. If I will break sin square a in terms of cot, then we will get 2 cos square a minus 1. There are three formula. Main formula is cos square a minus sin square a. And in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. This one is cos 2a formula. Next one is tan 2a. The tan 2a formula is, the multiple angle formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Just to compare, tan 2a formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, but cos 2a formula is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, and in sin 2a, that is 2 tan a 1 plus tan square a. Just you have to compare, you have to memorize sin 2a formula, cos 2a formula, and tan 2a. Okay, these are the main important formula that I have written here. Except this one, another is sin 3a formula. Sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is sin 3a formula. Same process, cos 3a formula will be cos 3a, that is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. These are a multiple angle formula writing. Number 6, tan 3a formula also you can write like this: 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. These are all belong to multiple angle formula required for the solution of trigonometrical identities. Okay. So next one, let me give one question to solve. Question number 1, I am writing here question number 2 proof. Question number 1, you have to prove sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. You have to prove it. One question I have taken from the book: sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. You have to prove. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is the left hand side? That is sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula you have to write here. First of all, copy you have to left hand side, sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So what is the value of sin 2 theta? Already written 2 sin theta into cos theta. And cos 2 theta, already I have written here 2 cos square theta minus 1. See here, already I am showing here. Cos 2 theta formula is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1 in terms of cos. If I write here cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 1 cancel, that means finally we will get 2 cos square theta. That means 1 plus cos 2 theta formula you have to memorize 2 cos square theta. Now 1 2 will be cancelled, 1 cos cancelled. What left here? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. In this question number 1 I have completed using multiple angle formula. Okay, let us first complete multiple angle. After that I will show you the multiple angle formula. Let us go question number 2. Just to see question number 2. Question number 2, you have to prove question given like this: sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta. You have to prove. This is the second question I have selected from the book belonging multiple angle. Sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is the left hand side? That you have to write sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now you apply the formula required for sin 2 theta. What is that? 2 sin theta into cos theta. After that, 1 minus cos 2 theta. It will be 2 sin square theta. Because cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin, that is 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If I put here, 1 will be cancelled, 2 sin square theta. Okay, sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta, and cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If I put here, 1 will be cancelled, finally you will get 2 sin square theta. After that, 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel, what's left? That is cos theta in the numerator, denominator 1 sin theta left. Cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cos theta, which is equal to right hand side. Let us take question number 3. This one completed. Question number 3, it is given, you have to prove 1 plus sin 2 theta. Question number 3, 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to, you have to prove cos theta. This is the question given, you have to prove. First, I have to understand what is the question given. 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is the left hand side? First to copy, and proper arrangement required. That means 1 plus cos 2 theta make one group and plus sin 2 theta. Same process here. 1 minus cos 2 theta you make one group and sin 2 theta take it outside, plus sin 2 theta. Same process as before I have written. 1 plus cos 2 theta will be how much? 2 cos square theta, and sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. The numerator already written, denominator 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. How much you can take common in the numerator? That is 2 cos theta. What is left? Cos theta plus sin theta. And denominator, same process. How much you can take common? Just to see, you can take 2 sin theta common. What is left? Sin theta left plus sin, and here 1 cos theta left. Now see, this 2 will be cancelled. Cos theta plus sin theta, here also sin theta plus same thing, this will be also cancelled out. What is left? That is cos theta by sin theta, which is nothing but cos theta. In this way, question number 3 also completed. Okay, let us take one more question. Question number 4. Question number 4, it is given, you have to prove 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Here you have to apply submultiple angle formula. And 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Okay. First of all, you write left hand side. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. That is what I have written here. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Make one group. 1 minus cos theta, one group, and plus sin theta. Same process, denominator 1 plus cos theta, and here plus sin theta. See, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. If it is given theta, then this will be 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin 2 theta formula you have to apply here. Sin 2 theta means what? 2 sin theta cos theta, but here theta written. That means sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta. This is called submultiple angle. If you know the multiple angle formula, the submultiple will be just divided by 2. Sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And the denominator 1 plus cos theta, it will be 2 cos square theta by 2. Same process, sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In the numerator, how much you can take common? That is 2 sin theta by 2 you can take common. What left here? That is sin theta by 2 left, and here 1 cos theta by 2 left. Okay. After that, denominator you can take 2 cos theta by 2 common. What left? Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now see, after that this 2 will be cancelled, and this total part sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2, here also cos theta by 2 plus sin theta will cancel out. What is left? That is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin by cos is what? That is tan theta by 2. This is nothing but submultiple angle, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, question number 4 also completed. Let us take one more question, that is question number 5. It is given you have to prove cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sin 2 theta. 1 plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means 45 degree minus theta. You have to prove it. This is the question given. First of all, you copy left hand side. What is written here? Left hand side question given, that is cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now you apply cos 2 theta formula is cos 2 theta formula, that is cos square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta, I can break here. See, cos square theta minus sin square theta means I can write here cos theta minus sin theta. Another will be cos theta plus sin theta. Directly I am writing here. Actually, cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta. I am writing, if possible, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. And applying the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. I have written here. And 1 plus sin 2 theta. 1 means what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. And this is 2 sin theta cos. This is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square means what? Cos square plus sin square, that is 1. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta means 1 plus sin 2 theta. You can write here cos theta plus sin theta whole square. I am breaking a square minus b square formula, cos theta minus sin theta whole into cos theta plus sin theta. And denominator part you have to write 2 times, as it is given square. Cos theta plus sin theta, again cos theta plus sin theta. Now one part will be cancelled out. What is left? Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. You do one thing, dividing cos theta both numerator as well as denominator. I will get 1 minus tan theta. If I divide cos theta both numerator, I will get cos by cos 1, sin by cos tan. Same process here, 1 plus tan theta. Now This 1 I can replace tan pi by 4, 45 degree, because tan 45 1 minus tan theta. And here I can write here 1 plus, as it is tan pi by 4 is 1, I can write here tan pi by 4. Why I am writing? To make one formula here, that is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. That will be tan A minus B, that is tan pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. This 1 means tan pi by 4 I can write. Tan 45 is 1. Now this formula is equivalent to tan A minus B, tan pi by 4 minus theta, which is equal to right hand side. In this question number 5 also completed. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving. Thank you for today's class.